It starts in mineral-rich deposits and ore pulled from the ground at scale. Before titanium is titanium, it is separated particle by particle. Then it moves by road rail and shipped to refineries built for purity.
Titanium refining is chemistry under pressure because medicine demands clean metal.
This is titanium sponge in the intermediate form before it becomes medical stock. Melted under vacuum and remelted again, and impurities pushed out by process.
The result bars and rods made to medical standards. Before machining, manufacturers look for defects you would never see with eyes. Feel and learn safety begins before shaping. Now the metal enters the world of microns. Even handling is controlled. Oil dust and fingerprints do not belong here. First, confirm the alloy, and the wrong chemistry is a silent failure.
Every implant begins as a simple blank cut to length, with zero romance.
Automation feeds the machine consistent infeed, consistent results. Feel and learn repeatability is manufactured.
Titanium is tough machining is heat management disguised as cutting. Feel and learn difficulty is built into the metal.
Now it is no longer stock, it has geometry.
Finishing is not faster, it is quieter, because the tolerances are tighter.
Those threads must bite bone while staying gentle to living tissue. A simple check proof the machine is still telling the truth. Some designs add cutting edges so the implant can prepare its own path. Feel and learn design varies by purpose. Inside, the connection is machined, where abutment and implant become one system. This is where wobble is born or eliminated. Edges are tuned sharp enough for fit and controlled enough for tissue. Errors are failures waiting to happen, so they are hunted and removed. Machines cut fast, and humans confirm the last imperfection is gone. Before surface treatment, oils and chips must be erased. Some surfaces must stay pristine, and roughness goes only where bone should grip. Feel and learn selective engineering protects the interface. Blasting sculpts micro anchors into titanium. The same metal, two finishes, each with a job. Acid etching goes smaller than blasting, changing the landscape at the micro scale. Etch, rinse, rinse again. Residue is the enemy. Feel and learn. Purity is repeated. The surface is now active, so the process must end clean. Drying prevents spotting corrosion and contamination. Some systems add advanced treatments built to speed bone response. After treatment, the surface is measured, because rough must be specific. For some abutments, zirconia brings tooth-like color and biocompatibility. Pressed first strong enough to handle, not yet strong enough to use. Feel and learn, ceramics are born brittle. Sintering transforms powder into dense ceramic. Ceramic is shaped by abrasion, slow, controlled, unforgiving. Polish matters where soft tissue meets the component. Feel and learn comfort is engineered too. Assembly checks confirm fit without contaminating what will touch bone. Sampling tests prove the connection survives real clinical forces. Ultrasonics lift contaminants from places brushes cannot reach. Feel and learn. Invisible cleaning is real.
Rinsing is about what is left behind, ideally nothing.
Drying under filtration prevents recontamination. Inspectors look for surface consistency because biology reacts to details. Dimensions are mapped in 3 dimensions: concentricity, depth, and fit. Before it can enter a clinic, it must be sterile, validated, repeatable. Seals are tested because a microscopic leak is a clinical risk. From ore to osseointegration, this is manufacturing measured in microns, built for decades.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.